Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add B-rolls in CapCut PC. What are B-rolls? B-rolls are those videos that are secondary to the main video, and to do that on CapCut PC is not hard at all. So for instance, we have this video. This is the primary video. I want to add B-roll to it. We can actually just cut, do Ctrl B while you select this video on the timeline. Okay, so you do Ctrl B and just split the videos at some point, and then you can go over and add your B-roll footage to it. So now we have these three videos. I'm just gonna separate them. So you see where it says turn off auto snapping. You can turn that off so that when you move this this one, turn off main track magnet. Okay, so when you move this you get something like this. It's important you turn this off, this turned off main graph. So at the end you can now put them back if you want. So you can just do something like this and they all join together. But for now we want to add B-roll, so we need that turned off. So don't forget that very important step. You need the track magnet turned off. Okay, so now we have this footage. We can now go import and then import our unique style. Maybe this is what we want. Okay, we can just bring that in. Okay, we can bring that in. For instance, just cut it a bit here. So we do Ctrl B once more. So we'll cut that bit and we can just bring it in here like that, and then we can just add that. Okay, you can just add that, and now if we play this video just from somewhere here, this is what we get. Okay, so you see that's a B-roll, a quick B-roll. Let's play it again one more time. Okay, so you see that's easy, super easy to do, not complicated at all. So you can add different clips depending on what you want. You can add another one in this space, just split, cut and add. That's how you add B-roll. You can also put it at the top here if you don't want it on that track, but ensure nothing is in this space so that when you play it you have something like this. Okay, so it's super easy to do. That is how to add B-roll to your video in CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Ensure you stay safe out there.